You'd mentioned that you were interested in maybe building yours.
Yeah, definitely.
And we found this YouTube video called How to Grow Your School Community and Make 48K in 17 Days.
Wow.
And it really caught our eye.
Yeah, catchy title for sure.
And it features advice from this guy, Stephen G. Pope, who seems to have this whole community building thing figured out.
Yeah, and what I find really fascinating about this is that he's using Skool, which is a platform that's specifically designed for creating and managing online communities. And he's clearly tapped into something special.
Yeah.
And it's not just about, attracting a crowd. It's about cultivating a really engaged community and offering some real value there.
So how do we unpack this? One of the things that he talks about in the video is consistency.
Okay.
And we're talking about content creation multiple times a day.
Wow.
Which sounds pretty intense.
It is a commitment.
Okay.
And he even says that many people just underestimate what it takes to build a really thriving online community.
Okay.
They spread themselves too thin, trying to chase too many objectives at once. So his advice is to focus on your audience's needs and not just what inspires you in the moment. He gives this great example of how instead of directly pitching Skool as the solution. He might start by talking about, the frustration of low engagement or the difficulty of monetizing online courses. These are all pain points that I think anyone who's aspiring to build a community can relate to.
It's so true.
Right.
It's like empathy first, solutions later.
Exactly.
I can see how that would build a stronger connection with your audience.